Opinion Best Twitter Alternatives that are popular. 1. Mastodon. Mastodon is a decentralized, open-source microblogging platform. It is similar to Twitter, but it is not controlled by a single company. Mastodon is made up of a network of independent servers, called instances. Each instance is run by a different person or organization. Mastodon was created in 2016 by Eugen Rochko. Rochko was inspired by the decentralized nature of the Fediverse, a network of other decentralized social media platforms. Mastodon is free and open-source software. This means that anyone can download and run their own instance of Mastodon. There are hundreds of Mastodon instances in existence, each with its own community. Mastodon users can follow each other, just like on Twitter. They can also create and share posts, which are called tweets. Tweets can be text, images, or links. Mastodon is a good alternative to Twitter if you are looking for a more decentralized and privacy-focused social media platform. It is also a good option if you want to be part of a smaller, more intimate community. Here are some of the features of Mastodon. Decentralized. Mastodon is not controlled by a single company. It is made up of a network of independent servers, called instances. Open source. Mastodon is free and open source software. This means that anyone can download and run their own instance of Mastodon. Privacy focused. Mastodon is designed to be more privacy focused than Twitter. Users can control who can see their tweets, and they can choose to have their tweets deleted after a certain amount of time. Community driven. Mastodon is a community driven platform. Users can create their own instances and customize them to fit their needs. If you are interested in trying Mastodon, you can find a list of instances here. https://joinmastodon.org. 2. Discord. 3. Ether. 4. Tumblr. 5. Clubhouse. 6. Reddit. 7. Threads.